Okay, we will be looking at how to use the Matchmaker assessment on career cruising. Once you are logged in, you will click Assessments, and then you will go down to Start Matchmaker. The Matchmaker will ask a variety of questions, and the more time you put into this, the better. Now, I'm going to kind of rush through it, but if I were doing this for myself, I would really take a little bit more time. You'll answer the questions based on how true it is, that you would dislike it very much, dislike, does not matter, like, or likes very much. So let's label our session, and I'm going to just call this demo. Start now. Would I like working with children? Very much. Working outside in any weather? Not so much. Now I'm going to pause for a second, complete these results, and then come back to help you understand how to interpret the results. So as I said, read each question carefully. Interested in using history? Yeah. Working in an office? No. I will be back in a second when I'm done with these questions. All right, I've completed the Matchmaker, and it has computed my results. And this is so funny to me when I look at this, because it says my top 2 career interest ranks are teaching. So I did answer the questions honestly, and it's funny that it came up like this. So now we need to play around a little bit to be able to answer those reflection questions for Matchmaker. So this is a career interest rank. So here it gives the like my top 10. For your Matchmaker, you have 2 choices. You can select the top 3, or you can select out of the top 10, 3 that interest you. And then you'll be answering questions relating to those. So for the Matchmaker, I'm going to click on funeral director, because I don't know that much about that, but it is saying that might be a good job for me. So I'll click on that, and I'm going to analyze for the first question why it was suggested for me. So when you look at this, it says one of the things I clicked I like very much would be providing a service to people and considering the views of other people. Okay, so when you're writing your reflection for Matchmaker, take a look at these things and you'll comment on it. Okay, so these are things that it says I would like doing. Dealing with paperwork, organizing people, being active. So for the first part of Matchmaker career reflection, I will identify 3 careers, and then I'm going to just look at these responses to understand why it was suggested. Doesn't mean right away. There is a part on the reflection question where you'll say whether you agree or disagree. So you can interpret these results. And I want you to think about this. Would it be a suitable career for you? Do you think this is accurate? And just play around. For the second question on Matchmaker, you're going to look at job description and tell me a little bit about it. So here we're going to click on the left and tell me a little bit about those 3 careers. Click on job description, read through it, tell me a little bit. Working conditions, do not copy and paste, put these in your own words. Earnings, easy to find out, how much do you make? And education would be, what do I have to do? Oh, I have to go to a 4-year, get a 4-year bachelor's degree. So this is how you do Matchmaker for this section. And then the questions, the remaining questions for your assessment are just reflection questions. It's how you feel about it. So have fun with this and really make this about yourself.